Nyime eni okinde mag Raila Odinga kod Martha Karua kachiel kod jok makwedo lendo mar William Ruto kaka jaloch e yiero mane otim higani ne obet kod pek enono kaka ABC ne otimo yiero kaka ne ong'ad kod bura. Lipot mar nono saduge mag luto mbulu e moko kuom tesende mane doho wacho ni orangi koro ne opedhe nyim doho kama okindego wacho ni ABC ne odagi yawo Sava margi kama giwacho ni mano kelo chich ni nyalo bet ni kuo mar ombulu ne otimore e mbui mar ABC. Okinde mag ABC kata kamano wacho ni duol mar tayo yiero no ne ok ni kod ketho moro amora kendo ne gitamore yie yawo Sava nikech okang' makamano ne nyalo rocho arita mar mbui margi.
Report, you will only find one QR code and one KIMS validation form 44 that was submitted or that was found in the ballot boxes that were submitted for scrutiny out of the 45 polling stations that we scrutinized. Of all the other ballot boxes, the QR code of KIMS kits in tamper-proof envelopes and the KIMS validation forms Form 44 in tamper-proof envelopes were missing. The question is, where were they? In light of Ms. Soweto's submissions, your guess is as good as mine.
Those 6 individuals, foreigners, in the Immigration Act they are also referred to as aliens, accessed this server 180 times or thereabouts. The longest being Scamago on the 8th of August 2022, Ogudino on the 4th of August again, 1 hour 57 minutes, and then the 16th of August, Ogudino, 1 hour 1 minute. I close by saying, what a mess, what a mess. My learned friend Mr. Ngatias,
he threw an extra 46,000 genuine forms into our elections in the hands of people who could not account for them. When we went to look, we were able to demonstrate that 50% of those forms have been used from a sample. From a sample, not denied, either not used or not accounted for, not returned. Are we going to give regime legitimacy after this indicting audit report?